Alright, so I want to show one why I really love 3D printing. Now, I've picked up a large metal lathe. I actually got a really good steal from a Facebook Marketplace. Someone was looking to get rid of it. They said, am I interested? And I said, hell yeah, I'm interested. And boom, I came up with this little bad boy. It is my chuck key holder. I modeled that up. It even says chuck key, and pretty much all you do is, like it suggests, just put your chuck key in it and you always know where it is. You can see I've just taken this off the printer. Came out really good. It's about 5 hours worth of print time, 50 cents worth of electricity, $1.38 worth of material, but I reckon it came out really well. And it's just going to be a really good organization thing for, I guess, where to find your chuck key instead of it just placing it wherever. So yeah, it came out really nice. That's the first time I've really imprinted letters. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up some epoxy and put a bit of coloring in it, and I'm actually going to inject the lettering with like a little medical syringe, maybe in red or black. I think black, and yeah, it'll make it pop. But yeah, for under $2, that came out really nice, and it's always going to keep my chuck key where I know it's supposed to be. So anyway guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.